The Refine Series MR lamps, a new standard for halogen lamp replacements. The proprietary Refine lens effectively delivers powerful light with intense center beam candle power and even light distribution while eliminating uncomfortable glare. Refine MR16 lamps are powered by Green Creative's True Chroma technology, ensuring best-in-class color rendering and color consistency while exceeding the most stringent industry efficiency criteria such as California's Title 20 and Title 24 JA8. The lamps meet ANSI halogen MR16 size requirements and are suitable for enclosed luminaries. Refine has models replacing up to a 75-watt halogen source while realizing 90% energy savings. Refine LED lamps last 8 times longer than halogen and are backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Refine MR16 lamps are available in various color temperatures, a wide variety of beam angles, and will smoothly dim to off with most dimming controls, perfect for retail, hospitality, art gallery, and high-end residential applications. Refine is designed to work with Green Creative's True Beam accessories, enabling professionals to realize any lighting design they can imagine. The Refine MR16 lamps with True Beam accessories deliver accuracy in color, efficiency in power, and flexibility in design.